Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we gonna learn how we can solve one problem over Codility. And problem is cyclist rotation. And by this scenario, we've been asked to rotate an array to the right by a given number of steps. So our approach today gonna be with Swift. We have wide range of languages here that we can approach with, but today I'm gonna go by Swift. And so if we want to go through details of this scenario, we will see that an array by the name of A consisting of n integer. So length of our array is A, and so rotation of the array means that each element is shifted right by one index, and the last element of the array is moved to the first place. So this one moving this side and this one coming at the beginning. For example, the rotation of array A gonna be 3, 8, 9, 7, 6 will be 6, so 6 come at the beginning and 3 shift 1 to the right. So gonna be like this. And elements are shifted right by one index and 6 is moved of to the first place. Okay, so the goal is to rotate array A k times. That is, each element of A will be shifted to the right k times, and we will start with function of by this signature. So solution, broadcast A with type of in and out int array of int, and broadcast K with type of integer. Okay, and here you will see some test cases. Okay, so we will go to start, as you will be in exam you will be like that. Microsoft usually using a Codility right now, and so yes, here give you time. It's 120 minutes. It's too much because this is the only demo part, and for us, and then we will go to the interface. Usually when you go for the first time, you will have one tool. You can go by tool, but you can skip this, and then you can start. So your time start to count down from now, and again you will have a scenario on the left side, and on the right side you will have your directories, which is include of your file. Here is Java, but I'm gonna switch to Swift. I will have one approach for Java as well for this scenario. So Swift, you will see you will have one Swift file and one text file, which is your test cases. You can put your test cases here. Right now, I'm not gonna put too much test case here, but I advise you in exam, in interview, make sure to put different divide of test cases here. You don't wait for your interviewer to ask you to put the test case, put it yourself. Show them that you are aware to wide range of possibility of test case. Test case is very important for most of companies. Okay, so here will be our startup. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write down my code here. So what I'm gonna do, I say if my array count equal k, or or my k equal 0, or a dot count length of A equal 0. So for all of these cases, we will return A. No, not this A, this A. Yeah. So yes, if our for all of these cases, there's no change, and we directly return our array we received. So now I create one constant of rotation equal k percentage of a dot count. So by this way, I get how many gonna be my rotation, and then I say let my range will be 0 to a dot count minus 1 minus rotation. And my final gonna be part 1 equal a dot range. So I pick up part 1 and then I start to remove. Sub range and from range. Then I return my A plus part 1. So we done this. You can run it. Do not submit it. First run it. So we run that one, and here I put one space here, not supposed to be here, and this one. It's a range. And again I got error, so let's see what is wrong. It says I'm in Swift, yes, I'm in Swift, and here first let's start from beginning. So my range gonna be from 0 to, yeah, I think it's not gonna be integer, that's why all error came up. So a count minus 1, yeah, I shouldn't stick this, yeah. Yeah, here you go. So because I put one I stick this one to 1, then it's didn't count it as a -1. But now it's gonna count minus and then rotation. So you will see for these two cases it's working. I can even add some test cases, for example, empty array, or actually our test case should be like this. So I should, for example, put this one empty array and integer, for example, 10. Another one, you can put array of all 0, 100, and let's put one case, good case as well. So for example 5, and here 200, 1, 4, 8, 9, 0, 10, 38. So now I'm gonna run it. And still it's working fine, and return value is gonna be this, and 100 return value gonna be the same, and this one return value gonna be like this. So shift 5 of this. So I'm gonna submit this. So when you make sure that all of your test cases that you think, and also all of the test cases of the this scenario works, so you're gonna submit it. Something I forgot, and you need to do it, is that to write time complexity and space complexity on top. Both time and space complexity gonna be O notation n on this, and n is the length of the collection. But you will, for example, you can write it on top as a comment. Now I'm done, so I cannot do any change. And here you will see all of the test cases, passed. And this one give me 100% score. And here even you can look at how our coding improves. This is good for interviewer to see what you did in your online assessment. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give it thumbs up, and also be subscribed for more video like this, which are coming weekly. Have a good one. Bye bye.